What's up everyone, this is Fahad from UAE RC Network. In this video I'm gonna test my big rock but with a JETKO Tomahawk. So these tires are doing well. I have tested in my previous channel, you're gonna find the video with my Arma Kraton 6S. These tires are doing well, but to be honest with you, I have tested in the sand or in the dunes. It was doing as 7 out of 10. So I have decided just to install it in my big rock and to be tested in this area. It's like on road with a little dust. You can see it here. So we're gonna see how it will gonna perform. Gonna check the grip, gonna check the handling, gonna test the 6S. As always, I'm using my DXF LiPo battery. I'm gonna showing you straight away. It's 8400 milliamp 3S with 6S. This is at 120 C. So going to fix everything. Pinion gear is 13. This is the stock one. Where are you? Yeah, I don't remember, I changed it. Yeah, it's a 13. Only I have upgraded the servo. This is the JX. CLS high voltage 7346 mg. So I'm gonna mention in the description. So let's take a look first. Gonna see. Okay, let's fire up. Already okay. First run. So windy. Okay, gonna start I think it's fairly good. No balloon. Maybe because the opinion is a 13, so there is no pressure on the tires. Let's go to the pigeons. Wow. Sorry. Finally, wheelie. Nice. I like it. Also, it's a little small by weight, by height, comparing to the stock tires. This is the Tomahawk from JETKO. Even tried for the last time with the Dune, just to give a last chance. Then I can confirm I'm gonna use it for the dirt places like this or sand. Let's go to that side. Yeah, the grip is nice. 100%. These tires are made for these places. I love it. I believe that if you're gonna play in the dust area like this, you have to wash your car just to prevent the bearings from any issues. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for the next video.